History, music, culture, tourism, and lifestyle. This is Kadi.
Hi friends, come along with me to the Shehu Musa Yaradua exhibition, or it is located in Abuja at the Shehu Musa Yaradua Center. So this place generally is an exhibition of the memorial of the life and work of one of Nigeria's most important leader, and it is located in the capital city. And once you enter inside, you will see like this place, which is like his portfolio and his CV about his life, his activities, his death, to mention a few. And then when you turn in, you can see where the exhibition begins, which is this Shehu Musa Yaradua, a life of service. So in this exhibition center, you see personal artifact, photograph, document, interactive display, to mention a few. So looking at this section just talks about the political history of Nigeria from colonialism to independence, First Republic, to mention a few. And then when you walk, through, you get to see like how Nigerian history evolved from colonialism, like I mentioned, to independence. And then when you move ahead, you see his heritage, his family, where they talked about the history, his place, where he grew up, his family, his bloodline, his marriage, his children, his grandchildren, to mention a few. So this place is open for all and it is free. And then you just have to like walk through, but you have to be quiet when you are walking through. And looking at this, you get to gain the legacy and understand the broader context of Nigerians' journey towards democracy. So you would also see like his uniforms, his military uniform. So here this wall talks about him joining the military and keeping Nigeria one during civil war. So this is just like his personal artifacts while still showing Nigeria political and social fabric. Okay, so this is discipline and principle, where I just talked about the different discipline, how um he was principled. And then in this section talks about his leadership, governance, when he was running for political position as president. We see the Nigerian first constitution, handing over, just basically a whole lot of Nigerian history, political history, and social history. Also, you see his religious aspect, where he like portrayed his religion, which is Islam, and you can see his wares. Okay, and then when you walk forward, you see in this place his political ambitions, where he was vowing for presidency. So these are like newspaper printouts. And then inside this other side of the exhibition, we see his Islamic pursuits, his mat. And then we also get to see like his books, his medals. We get to see different screens. You see that's like him praying. So there's also a section dedicated to his books, like a form of a library. Okay, and then we get to see um other places. Okay, so just enjoy the remaining vlog.